The 3-foot gauge MANX Electric starts at the north end of the seafront promenade of Douglas, adjacent to the horse tram terminus. Soon after starting, we pass the depot and workshops which have maintained these venerable vehicles since the 1890s. This first part of the line was opened in 1893. The hilly nature of the route along the island's east coast would have been impractical for steam traction, so this became one of the very first electric railways in the world. At filming, the MANX Electric held a contract from the post office to convey the mail between Douglas and Ramsey and the villages between. This included collecting from post boxes en route, as our conductor demonstrates. Groudle Glen was the terminus of the first stage of the line. The glen contains a short 2-foot gauge railway, normally steam operated. For most of its route, the MANX Electric follows the East Coast Main Road, which it crosses in several places. Inattentive visiting motorists can be a problem. Garwick Glen was once a large popular pleasure ground, but it would close at the end of the 1965 season. We approach the large village of Laxey, which extends down to a small harbour and a short beach. This is Laxey car shed, used for storage of cars required only in peak season. Many alight at Laxey to change to the Snaefell Mountain Railway, which Alan covers in another video. Leaving Laxey, we start the climb to the line's highest point. an outlying part of Laxey. Looking back to Laxey Beach. We are now over 580 feet above the sea. Laxey to Ramsey opened in the summer of 1899. This is Doon Quarry. The quarry has long ceased operations. It's now overgrown with quite large trees. The former power station for the line. The Glen is a national scenic beauty spot. Originally, the MANX Electric operated all year, but now it runs only mid-March to the end of October. This siding has disappeared since 1965. Please comment if you know anything of it. We look ahead to Ramsey and its pier. So, 17.5 miles from Douglas, Derby Castle, we arrive at Ramsey. Motor and trailer cars are uncoupled. The motor crosses to the southbound track, while the trailer is run down by gravity. Then the motor car couples to its other end, ready for the return journey.